Hey guys, today I think we're gonna play Subway Surfers. Well, yeah, we are. I'm kind of good at it, but not that good. I like that board. Wait, it's Eastern Paris? What? Make sure to leave a like and comment. I'm gonna show you my characters I have. Jake, Dark Outfit, and Dino. I really want this one. My boards are the hoverboard as normal, starboard, and with the special power, Star Trail. Let's play. Okay. Oh, I wanted to get the egg. I need to. Whoop. 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 Oops. He looks weird with that Easter outfit. Okay, we're starting to go faster now. Mystery box. Let's get it. Down. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like the shoes because it makes me, well, it doesn't really help me in anything. We're starting to go a little bit more faster. A little bit more faster. Next pictures. Oops. Let's see what we want. A boost. Oh, I got 2 more coins. 250. I need more. My missions are, well, 30 times I did that. Get 2 character tokens from it. I got one already. What? Oh, Wi-Fi is not working right now. Okay. For my Facebook, I'm on the 25th and 25. How did it get that high? Wait, what? Number 5 is higher than... Oh, never mind. Okay. Paris. shop. Let's see what we could get. Hoverboard, I got 34 already. Okay, let's try a hoverboard or something like that. Jump. Makes me jump a little bit higher, I guess. Doesn't really, I don't really know. Oh, that's nice. Try it again. Easter egg, let's go get it. Starting to get a little bit more faster. I heard a dog. Okay, we're starting to go a little bit more faster. Oh. Let's see. What? Okay, that's nice. But I really need more coins. I think we should stop right now, so remember to leave a like, subscribe. That's it.